Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn boxing alone. First, establish your boxing stance, ensuring your feet are shoulder-width apart and your non-dominant foot is forward. Keep your hands up to protect your face and body. Practice moving forward, backward, and side to side, maintaining your balance and guard. This foundational footwork is crucial for all boxing movements. Now, let's focus on punching. Begin with the jab, a quick, straight punch from your lead hand. Follow with the cross, a powerful straight punch from your rear hand, rotating your hips and shoulders. Then, practice the hook and uppercut, focusing on generating power through your core and legs. Remember to always return your hands to your guard immediately after each punch. Shadow boxing is your best friend for solo training. Imagine an opponent and practice your combinations, footwork, and defensive moves like slipping punches and rolling with hooks. If you have access to a heavy bag, practice your power shots and combinations. A double-end bag can help improve your timing and accuracy. Consistency is key here. To truly excel, conditioning is vital. Incorporate cardio like running or jumping rope for stamina and strength training for power. Don't forget core exercises for stability and punch power. Aim for a consistent training routine, perhaps 3 to 4 times a week, gradually increasing intensity. Remember, dedication to your physical fitness will significantly enhance your boxing skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.